1. Hold the rope and make a small loop a few inches from the end. Imagine this loop as a rabbit hole, and the shorter end of the rope as the rabbit. 2. Take the short end, or rabbit, and bring it up through the loop, as if it's coming out of the hole. 3. Wrap the rabbit around the main part of the rope. This is the part that will be bearing the load. Imagine this as the tree that the rabbit runs around. 4. Finally, bring the rabbit back down through the loop, or hole, it came out of. Five. Pull both ends of the rope tight to secure the knot. Your bowline knot is now ready. Take good care of that knot again.